Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe at home in this COVID 19 period along with your family members. Welcome once again to yet another session of mathematics. Here we are going to start a new chapter, comparing numbers. In this chapter, we are going to learn about how to compare numbers on number line as well as on the basis of tens and ones. Let's see how we can do this with the help of number line. Students, here on the screen you can see a number line, and on the basis of this we have to compare two numbers written just above the below the number line, and the numbers are 10 and 12. Here on the number line the numbers presented are from 0 till 12. Now 12 you can see is at present at the end of the number line, and 10 is just on the left hand side of 12. So 12 would be greater than 10. Now we move on to the comparison on the basis of tens and ones. Here there are three questions written on the screen. Let's move on with the first one. The first question has two numbers, and the numbers are 15 and 18. Here above the numbers tens and ones is written. Now first we move on with the digit present at the tens place for comparison. The digit present at the tens place in both the numbers is the same, that is 1. So we move on with the digits which are present at the ones place. The digits at the ones place in both the numbers are 5 and 8. Since 8 is greater than 5, so 15 is smaller than 18, or you can say 18 would be greater than 15. Here you can see the greater than sign also. Now we move on to the next question. Here once again the two numbers are 17 and 14. We move on with the tens digit. On both the sides the digit at the tens place is the same, that is 1. But the digits present at the ones place in both the numbers are different. In 17 it's 7 and in 14 it's 4. Since 7 is greater than 4, so 17 would be greater than 14. Now we move on to the next question, the last one. Here on both the sides you can see, both the sides of the blank you can see there are two numbers, and the numbers are the same, that is 16. So we have given here equal to sign. Here we are again with the new topic, ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? When we arrange numbers from the smallest to the greatest, we call it ascending order. This is the definition of ascending order. How we can arrange numbers in ascending order? Let's move on with an example and understand it more clearly. Here on the screen you can see there are four numbers, 13, 17, 15 and 19. In all these four numbers, the digit which is present at tens place is the same, and that is 1. So we move on with the digit which is present at the ones place. In 13 it's 3, in 17 it's 7, in 15 it's 5 and in 19 it's 9. So, according to the definition of ascending order, we have to write the number which is smallest first, and then we have to write the number which is the greatest one at last. So, among these three numbers, which digit at ones place is the smallest? Yes, it's 13. 3 in 13. So, we are going to write 13 first. This is the smallest number among all these four numbers. Now, here we are left with three more numbers. They are 17, 15 and 19. Here, the digit which is present at tens place is 1. But the digits present at ones place are different. In 17 it's 7, in 15 it's 5 and in 19 it's 9. So among these three numbers, which digit at the ones place is the smallest? Yes, it's 15. So we have written here 15 just beside or after 13. Now we are left here with the two numbers 17 and 19. Here the digit at tens place, again the same, that is 1. But the digits present at ones place are different. So which digit is the smaller one at ones place in both the numbers? 17. 7 in 17. So after 15, 17 is written. Now the number left is 19 and this is the greatest number. So here you can see on the screen that we have written the number from 13, which is the smallest number, and then the greater number, and then the number greater than 15 is 17, and then at last the greatest number. This is how is ascending order done. Now we move on to the definition of descending order. What is the definition of descending order? Yes, when we arrange numbers from greatest to the smallest, we say they are in descending order. Here, descending order is just the reverse of ascending order. In ascending order, with the help of an example I explained you right now, the numbers are written from smallest to greatest, but in descending order, the numbers are written from greatest to the smallest. Ascending order is also known as increasing order, and descending order is also known as decreasing order. So don't get confused. Here we are once again with an example of descending order. Here on the screen you can see there are 4 numbers written: 12, 18, 16 and 14. We have to do the comparison here and write the greatest number first, and that is 18, which is written at very first. How is it possible? We move on with the digit present at tens place in all the 4 numbers. We can see the digit is the same, and that is 1. Okay, so we are going with the digits present at ones place. Let's see how we can do this. We have to compare the digits present at ones place in all the 4 numbers. In 12 it's 2, in 18 it's 8, in 16 it's 6, and in 14 it's 4. So among all the 4 digits, which one is the greatest? Yes, 18. 8 in 18 is the greatest one, so we have written 18 first. Now we are left with 3 numbers. What are they? 12, 16 and 14. Again, the digit present at tens place is the same in all the 4 numbers, that is 1. Okay, now we move on with the digit present at ones place. In 12 it's 2, in 16 it's 6, in 14 it's 4. Now which one is the greatest among all the 4 numbers? Yes, 6 at ones place among all the 3 numbers, that is 12, 6 and 14 is the greatest. Now we are left here with 2 numbers 12 and 14. After doing the comparison following the same pattern, we find that 14 is greater than 12. So here on the screen you can see that the greatest number written is 18, smaller than that is 16, smaller than that is 14, and the smallest one is 12. So we followed the pattern of ascending order and written the numbers in an descending order. Now students, the chapter will be once again taught to you by the teachers, and please follow the book and understand the chapter yourself once again so that the concept would be clear to you very nicely. The assignments or the work related to the chapter will be given you by us, and please do them in your mathematics notebook. Take care of yourself, stay safe. Thank you.